Is it time to buy or sell Goldfields stock? In this video, we will explore Goldfields in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025. And now, we aim to provide a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 1st of August, 2025, our system has ranked Goldfields as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.16. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 18.25% since we first listed Goldfields as a buy candidate just 15 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.22% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 26.83% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 9% to 34.7%. For a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of about 86.11%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary between 38.94% and 95.48% over the next year. In current terms, this suggests a future price range between $42.04 and $59.15. Our latest daily update for Goldfields includes the headline, Green Day on Thursday for Goldfields Limited. The stock price of Goldfields Limited increased by 1.27% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 21st of August, 2025. The price rose from $29.88 to $30.26. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.25%, with a low of $30.10 and a high of $30.78. Over this period, the stock has shown volatility, resulting in a loss of 2.79% over the last 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, a positive technical indicator, with 75,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 3 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $85,180,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $31.76, while the lowest price was $12.98. Currently, the price is 4.72%, or $1.50, below the 52-week high of $31.76, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Goldfields is in the spotlight this week ahead of the second quarter results, with the stock already rallying following a recent earnings preview and an analyst upgrade to strong buy. Analysts anticipate higher volumes and stronger realized gold prices to boost second quarter earnings. However, management has indicated that rising unit costs may pose challenges as older pits are transitioned and ramp-ups continue. In the near term, this situation creates a binary outcome: an upside surprise in volumes and prices, or clearer guidance on cost control, could lead to an increase in share prices. Conversely, if there is a disappointing performance on margins or unexpected increases in capital expenditure and cost inflation, it could result in a pullback after the recent gains. Looking beyond this quarter, Goldfields' expansion pipeline, which includes the Windfall project and geographic diversification, supports longer-term growth potential, provided execution remains on track and the favorable macroeconomic conditions for gold persist. Higher gold price forecasts and increased demand from central banks could enhance free cash flow and payout potential. However, aggressive capital expenditure plans may introduce execution and financing risks. In summary, the second quarter serves as a catalyst for short-term volatility. Successful execution and sustained gold prices are essential to justify a stronger long-term valuation. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of April, 2025, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned GFI a sector perform rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Investec rated GFI as a buy with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 23rd of August, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital gave GFI a market perform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of August, 2024, it was reported that Scotiabank assigned GFI a sector perform rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 25th of June, 2024, it was reported that BMO Capital gave GFI a market perform rating with an upgrade action. Analysts had assigned a general neutral rating to Gold Fields stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Gold Fields. The Gold Fields Limited stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. If corrections occur, there will be support at levels of $29.92 and $26.82. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The rising volume alongside the price increase is considered a promising technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been identified, which may affect the near-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 12, 2025, with the stock having declined by 3.54% since then. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. The stock experienced a golden star signal on Friday, July 18, 2025, for the short term, and it also received a golden star signal for the medium term on Friday, October 11, 2024. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line intersect in a unique combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots are showing a sell signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 13 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 24 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average showed a sell signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 153 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 142 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Gold Fields. Gold Fields Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $30.17. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 677 ten-thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, which is a change of 2.25%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.39%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Gold Fields, let's briefly discuss some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A PE ratio in this range is considered fairly standard, typically associated with companies that have established track records or stable revenue streams. Additionally, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 22nd of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Gold Fields. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Gold Fields stands at $30.77. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportune moment to consider swing trading. On the downside, Gold Fields meets its first support level at $30.17. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $28.92, reflecting a decline of 4.44%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is Gold Fields stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, indicate that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There's a reasonable chance for Gold Fields Limited stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 22nd of August, we anticipate Gold Fields will open higher by approximately 12 cents and start trading at $30.38. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to be responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.